Hi, this is Dan Collins, a 25-year futures and options veteran, and I wanted to talk to you today about something a little bit different, managed futures, and an interesting subset of managed futures, managed options. As options traders, you probably understand that there's a lot of money being made in options, and a lot of the managers have traditionally been option writers. Option writing is a strategy that scares a lot of people, and maybe for good reason. Obviously, what happens is traders sell out of the money options, collect premium, and make money. This is a strategy that can consistently make money over time. The risk is that in spikes in volatility, these things really can get hurt. And you don't necessarily have to be good to make money a couple years if you don't have that spike. 1999, 2003, 2008 particularly had huge spikes and wiped some of these folks out. So you have to be careful because a track record, you have to test somebody, a manager who does this, they have to go through a tough period to determine just how strong their risk measures are. And a lot of investors just don't want to invest in it, but we've noticed an interesting trend that's something that maybe you could take advantage of as an investment or in your trading. I call it volatility value traders, and I've interviewed many of these managers. And what they've done is they buy options as well as sell options kind of based on value. If volatility continues to shrink, the option writer has to get a little bit closer to the fire. That's why, the old saying is that they pick up nickels in front of steamrollers. Well, volatility keeps on going down. Maybe they're only picking up pennies and they're taking on risk. So a lot of managers have gone to a more holistic approach where they're buying as well as selling options. And many of them that I talked to realized, one thing in addition. They started buying options maybe more as a hedge to offset risk, but they found that it also could drive profits. I think in May of 2012 there was a volatility spike that some of these guys I talked to did well, and in a period which would have been very challenging on a pure option writing strategy. So this is something to look at in your investing and in potentially trading. This is Dan Collins. Hope to talk to you soon.